2948 3039. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Tuesday, September 24th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. This train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.